When comparing baby boomers to millennials, there are a lot of differences, but there's also quite a few similarities. One, for example, is less content. The less content, less words, less to look at, the better. The more likely that they're actually going to understand what's saying and it's going to grab someone's attention. Other than that, there are quite a few differences. For example, baby boomers love Facebook. MySpace was in the past, and now Facebook is where they go to share videos, share photos, look for the advertisements, sponsored ads, and that's where they go and they find new products to look at and buy. Unlike millennials, they use Twitter. Twitter is one of the biggest platforms that millennials use nowadays. They tweet, retweet, comment, like everything. That's where they find their news, that's where they find new products, and modern slang is what is the biggest key to millennials in advertisements. For example, there are a couple Twitters that are out there, like Wendy's, Pop-Tarts. They use the modern slang that the millennials use to grab their attention. And their tweets have gone so viral because it's all the millennials can compare to it because that's how they speak as well. So that's how Wendy's and Pop-Tarts have gotten so much credibility towards the millennials, is because they understand how to talk like the millennials. And then baby boomers actually take in more content. Yes, the less the better, but there's a bigger possibility that the boomers are actually going to take it in and understand it more. And then Generation X and Generation Y, there are a few differences, whatever. Generation X is very independent, and they work very hard to solve any problem that's given to them. They were growing up as technology started, so they know how to use it, but not as much as Generation Y. Generation Y grew up using technology at such a young age that they know the ins and the outs just as much as Generation X. That's all that we're surrounded by. And Generation Y actually enjoys doing jobs and being successful for the achievement and the feedback. Not for the money, but for the feedback, the reassurance that what we're doing is right and that we're doing a good job. But other than that, Generation X and Generation Y, values-wise, aren't that big of a difference.